Hello guys, this is Krishna and today we'll take a look at a Python topic which is string functions. So we will discuss basic string functions, like only two of them, which is dot capitalize and dot title. So I'll just start with an example. These are very easy topics. So let me just create a string with a variable name str, and in this string let me define something, let's say this quiz. And what I'm gonna do is I'll show you what is dot capitalize and what is dot title function of a string. So if we run like str dot capitalize, and it is followed by open and close parentheses, and if we run it, you may see it capitalizes only first letter of the entire string. And you may think, so you may confuse it with dot upper function. So what dot upper function does is it capitalizes all the element of a string to uppercase. Let me just show you str dot upper. Look over here, it returns this one. Okay, so, and let me just comment it out. There is one more I'm planning to talk about, which is str dot, what was it, dot title. Let me just comment this one also. So what it does, it capitalizes T as well as Q, but in case of dot capitalize, it capitalizes only T, it doesn't capitalize Q. You may look over here. So I'll go with a simple example because it is very easy topic and I won't take it long. So let's say A is equal to str dot capitalize, and let's say B is equal to str dot title. And what I'm gonna do is I'll print fifth element of A and B. Okay, so it will be like A within square brackets, let's say 5, and I'm concatenating the string, and let's say fifth element of B. So you have 5 seconds to pause the video, just try to figure out which would be the output and post your answer in the comment section. Okay, so this is our output. So how does our code work? We will get a better idea if we do is like print fifth element of A, and let's say print fifth element of B. As you may see, as I already told you, that dot capitalizes only first letter, which is T, and dot title capitalizes T as well as Q. Okay, so what is the fifth element of this string? We can count it: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is this space, and fifth is Q. So fifth element of A is small q, because we are using dot capitalize in A, and fifth element of B is capital Q, as we are using dot title function. So we are just concatenating the strings, which is small q and capital Q, so our output will be small q capital Q. I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, just rewind the video, take another look, and if you, or also you can just ask us in the comment section. We'll answer all of your doubts. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.